Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, at the moment of this recording, it has not yet been confirmed. However, the story circulating the net, viewers and subscribers, is that Kayla has given birth. Now, I wonder who is Kayla. Now, that is the baby mother of Likkle Addi, viewers and subscribers, and they're saying that Azil Palmer is here. Now, on an Instagram page linked to Kayla, there was a photo, viewers and subscribers, of a newborn baby, and they must say Azil Palmer. That now, some people have said though that that Instagram page is a fake Instagram page, and that the baby was wrapped in a North American wrap. However, I will point this out. Where did you think she was going to give birth? As the teacher pointed out, and Shorty pointed out, she's a North American citizen. Where do you think her child would be born? I don't understand one of you. You only expect to have the baby. You don't see what it take place worldwide. You think she'd have go return home to her family. You don't think she have loved ones that you want to see her to. She returned home. So it's not surprising for no she give birth overseas. There are lots of Jamaican women who are in possession of a visa. Just a 10-year visa. So a travel and pass through something. Vacation visa. No work permit with it. And over there them go up for them youth. Some don't know why it's so strange, because the baby was wrapped in a North American wrap. People are saying, yo, watch it. No, a fake. We can't say the story is not true. I can, however, say at the moment when we record it has been unconfirmed, but congratulations are in order. And if I saw it go, Addi, granddaddy in a dancehall music and still around the game. Nothing to lame. Viewers and subscribers, I have a big up Likkle Addi. You know what I mean? I have a big up Kayla. And Azil, if you have arrived, my general, the newest member to the Palmer dynasty. Yes, you are now the newest member of the Palmer dynasty, the dancehall royal family. Big up yourself, you. You know what I mean? You haven't met in person, but big up yourself, you. You know what I mean? I think Likkle Addi is currently on the island at the moment. Yeah, I'm currently on the island at the moment. I think him travel out it. Currently on the island. But no doubt will be flying out soon, and very soon the same youth, if his youth is here. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Exciting moments in the dancehall history. Make a reason about a subject too at the same time, separate and apart from this case in particular. The numbers. We don't matter about the numbers for the album. No doubt there should have been 1 million copies sold first week. I wanted the album to go platinum. Gaza Nation, continue to stream and purchase the album. Continue to stream and purchase the album. I will, however, point out this. For an independent album to be doing these numbers, look on the numbers where Buju album do. Some people are saying Buju is not signed to Rock Nation. Rock Nation is not a record label. It is not a recording label. It's a management label. However, when you get paid, they do get paid first. However, they do market your album for you. Notice when you see the charts for sales, what it say? It say IROC. ROCN. One of them. You know the music acronym for Rock Nation. But it clearly shows that the album was released under Rock Nation production label. We don't know how that occurred. We don't know what the legalities, why it is stated like that. But for an independent album, you will clearly see which album is independent, of which Vybz Kartel's album is independent. For an independent artist signed to his own label, if you do these numbers, we don't see these numbers done by an independent artist since Master P. I would not know who Master P is, nor his contributions to the game, now how much millions they make out of hip hop while doing it as an independent artist signed to his own label titled as No Limit. No limit to the money and the potential of a black man. You know the something go. Now, viewers and subscribers, talk to me. Talk to me. Isn't this still an achievement that very few other artists can celebrate? As I say, big up Lila, and I'm my favorite female singstress to forward out. You know what I mean? Here, I'm my favorite singer. When I have to change the rate. One of my favorite singers to forward out. I'm gonna say this. Look upon the amount of albums you sell. Now go on. Do you see Coffee's album there? You see nobody else's album there? You see nobody else album. Whether them signed to a record label or not, you see nobody else's album there. For dancehall music, where are the dancehall artists that are there? And we're not count Sean Paul. We are not going to count Sean Paul. Not saying he's not a part of the dancehall industry. That is not what we are saying. We are saying that one, Sean Paul's music is geared to a certain demographic, and it is definitely not Jamaican. Tell the truth. Sean Paul not drop songs for rock the dancehall industry locally. We know this. We know this. Vybz Kartel is an exception. Vybz Kartel drops songs with international appeal, that world music. We call these type of songs world music. But at the same time, they rock the local dancehall space. Sean Paul drops tracks where do great internationally, and nobody locally they even knows that song they released. They don't even know that song exists. They have never listened to that song. If you play that song, they know them think it just released last week. And it's a song we released all 3 years ago. Do extremely well. Sean Paul bank how much millions are fight. And nobody a yard know the song. So it go. Because his music appeals to a certain demographic and it is not local. Vybz Kartel is one of the few dancehall artists that have captivated not only local fans but international fans, and has done so simultaneously. Few certain artists have to say, alright, me I try. Remember what Spice saying? Spice said when she realized that she had to do the numbers and her career is at a certain level locally, she realized that she needs to pay more attention to the international fans. And just as she started her international campaign, and as you know, the rest was history, appearance and love and hip hop, reoccurring role, and all of these accolades. But she said she'd have to take time away from the focus locally to focus internationally. Vybz Kartel has been an artist that can drop tracks and simultaneously do these same things. Very few artists can do this. So at the same time, while I am saying yes, you don't want the album to go platinum in the first week, I wanted the album to go platinum in the first week. 1 million copies sold. But viewers and subscribers, this is still a major achievement to celebrate, and the numbers will continue to climb. These are just first week sales. These are just first week sales. So think about that. We're not gonna make the naysayers them tell us say, but think so this and but think so that. These artists with these naysayers support, who are buy for them songs? Where are their songs being sold? We must even see them in the category where they are do for the genre of music that they claim to be a part of. Where them claim say from time to time say even them are the main artists, and them are viewers and subscribers of Vybz Kartel and the numbers in the dancehall music. On the charts, this is the only dancehall album there. And them now want to celebrate the achievements. Yes, them now want to point it out that these sales numbers were done by an independent artist releasing music on an independent label. Them now want to point that out. Them want to keep silent like them, because them not have nothing to celebrate. Viewers and subscribers, this is a reggae chart, and the song at number 1 is from a reggae artist, an icon of the game. Some people are say Buju they have to reintroduce himself to the youths of this generation. None of them buy Buju song. You feel like them? None of them buy Buju song. Buju song was purchased by him, long-time fans and supporters. Simple maths. It was marketed extensively in North America though by Rock Nation, billboards and all of that. Extensively marketed. And look, the numbers are not that far apart from Vybz Kartel numbers. Which album was not featured in any big billboard magazine, however. Make sure so them point out, say what you know. Vybz Kartel, the king of the dancehall genre, will be dropping an album soon and very soon. Because them know. And they know Vybz Kartel is an independent artist signed to him own independent label. They know this. Viewers and subscribers and naysayers will talk with them once, because them now have nothing to celebrate. But we have what we need to celebrate. Azil Palmer, them saying there for add to celebrations too as well. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. You know the settings. I move settings from our need and ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours of want to live, love and prosper until reason again.